Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So just got a little unboxing video to show you. So this is my latest purchase. So this is the Katsu planer this time. So I did the router last time. I've been using that and that's been absolutely great. So this is the Katsu planer now. Makita compatible, identical to the Makita one. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. Bear with me, I'll just find something to cut the tape with. Right, there we go. So, box is open, let's have a look. Right. So we got the instruction manual there, same with the router, we had the instruction manual. Yeah, accessories, that's like a fence and stuff. Take that one out, have a look. Oh, there she is. I'm doing a video. I have to edit that out now. Alright, so there it is, guys. So it's pretty much identical to the Makita one. So the battery goes. Yeah, pretty much the same. Looks solid. Like for like. This one's brushed actually. It's not a brushless one, this one's brushed, but that's not a problem. Katsu, there we go. So yeah, I've got the Katsu router, now the planer. So I'll give it a good go, and I'll do a little update in a couple of months and let you know how it's getting on. But a little update on the router, that's been absolutely brilliant. I've been using that a lot. That's been solid. So yeah, Katsu, check them out. Right, cheers guys. Right, so there it is. I've put a battery in it. Just give it a go. So yeah, all works. Pretty much same as the Makita one. Sounds pretty much exactly the same. It's nice and smooth. So yeah, it's the Katsu 18-volt planer. It's brushed, this one, so it's not brushless. It's brushed. I paid 40. I think it was £45 on. I think it was on Amazon. This one, £45. Just take the battery out. Alright, the battery's out, so just have a look at the blades. So it's twin blades. Battery is out, by the way. There you go. So have a look at it from this side. You can see more of a. It's quite a big wide blade. I've not seen blades like that before. It's not like the little ones that you slide. It's quite a big. It's got two blades. Twin blades. There we go. Nice and sharp. But yeah, I don't know what the beds are on these. I think they're looks about sort of 90mm, 80mm bed. But yeah, so there we go. Another one to collection. I will keep you updated on how it performs.